As we use the internet, it is important to learn how to protect yourself online. In this video, we're going to learn how to tell if something is a scam. When it comes to a scam, typically people are worried that they have downloaded a virus or some sort of malware. There is a difference. They're kind of used interchangeably. Malware is a portmanteau of a malicious software, and it's any program or code that is intended to harm your computer, whereas virus is a type of malware, but it's different because it self-replicates or makes copies of itself in order to spread into other devices. Two of the biggest examples of these are phishing and ransomware. So here are 4 easy signs to tell if it's a scam. The scammer will pretend to be from an organization you know. They may say that they are Walmart or that they are from Amazon. A scammer will also tell you typically that there is a problem, or maybe that you've won something. This will get your attention. Scammers also pressure you in order to act immediately, maybe telling you that you've won something, but you only have so many hours in order to click on it to, verify your prize. And scammers will also tell you to pay them in a specific way. So the most popular of all these scams is phishing. So what is phishing? Phishing is not just emails, they're also text messages. They will tell you a story, they're tricking you into clicking a link or maybe opening an attachment. They are unexpected and they look like a company that you may trust, and like a bank or credit card company, maybe utility company. So what we're going to do is look at some examples of phishing, and we're going to see if you can spot the problem. So in this example, you'll see that there is, up at the top, it's from Security Bank, and that gives you that's from a bank. It's giving you that sense of urgency. As you read the message, though, you're going to see that there are some spelling and grammar mistakes, which is, of course, would not happen with a legitimate business. You'll see that the account is probably unfamiliar address. If it's from Security Bank, if it's from your bank, it is unlikely that they have a Gmail account. Typically, there's a generic greeting if they don't say your name, but just simply call you a customer. Usually there's something suspicious. Maybe there's a link over there from securitybank.net. That may, again, not be a bank that you even use. So that may be suspicious. There's also attachments sometimes that you need to be aware of. Here in this video, you can see that the attachment is a .exe file, and that is for downloading a program. So these are several ways to tell if there is something, something fishy going on. Here's another example. Take a look. This one is a lot harder to tell, but let me know if you can see it. So it is actually right up at the top of the screen where it says Amazon. So Amazon, you can see it says accounts@Amazon.com. So that's something to be aware of, is that it's not coming from Amazon.com, but Amazon.com. You also see down at the bottom the link for Amazon.com. When you hover the mouse over it, it's taking you not to Amazon.com, but to somewhere called bit.ly, which is not associated at all with Amazon. Now this is the texting phishing. It is now not just related to emails. You're seeing it now through text messages. So you'll see once again that is generic. It's not calling you by your name, just calling you a customer. You may not even be part of Bank of America. And so now you're kind of nervous. They've kind of got you pressured because your bank account has now been closed, so you're terrified. It's telling you to confirm your PIN number and again, just as an example here, it wouldn't say not Bank of America, but it would have a link to a website that does not have Bank of America in the link. And so, as you can see here, they want you to click on a link in order to keep yourself and your account activated. But remember that large companies are not going to send you these generic text messages or emails where they want you to go in and change your payment information. Here's another example, again, where Chase has locked your account. Again, you may not even be with Chase, and they're saying that they've locked your account and that you have to click on a link here in order to verify your financial information, which you definitely don't want to do. You're going to want to contact Chase, if that is your bank, to confirm this information. And then lastly, you'll see that there is Netflix has sent you something. They sent you something from a phone number that you do not recognize. And they're also telling you to go to a website to update your account. And the website does not show Netflix.com, but BEDY13.com, which is not related to Netflix at all. So these are some examples of phishing that are important for you to know about as you are on the internet.